Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch NEC screen from 2 CCFL to our UB36 series LED kit. This kit comes with 2 UB36 series LED strip, 1 MS456 UB LED drive, 1 wire adapters. This wire adapter according to, well, let's take a screen so I can explain it a little bit more. Well, this is our newer version of a UB36. I just want to show you it's a little bit thicker because we increased the thickness of the aluminum PCB on new versions. This screen is made by NEC. The screen mark number is NL10276BC30-33D. 2 lamps. Okay, according to each data sheets, it's using the inverter, CCFL inverter. The part number is 150PW331. So that's why we have this wire adapter, which is this end's plug in here. The other end, you just connect the existing wire harness from NEC inverter, which is 150PW39. Disconnect from NEC inverter and connect to our radio driver after installation finish. So that's not difficult to upgrade this from CCFL to UB, our LED kits. There's 2 sides. Okay, each end have 2 small Phillips screw. So you need to remove Phillips screw and then push down the metal, take it out. So first, we're gonna remove this screw, Phillips. So after you remove screw, you need to remove these wires. Okay, just carefully like this. But this is a trick I want to show you. You know, you can just grab the wire, pull out, but you have to push it down here. Push it down a little bit. I'm not sure you can see it clear enough, but push it down. Push it down. While you grab the wire, while you push down a little bit, you see this? Now you see the click, a little bit click here. So this is it. After that, you can either grab the wire, pull out, or usually I would use long nose, you know, just in case. There you go. Now, so okay. So let's take a look. Set the screen aside for a second. Take a look. This same procedure. Remove this screw and pull out on the other side. Okay. I don't want to repeat the same procedure. So this is it. This is our looks like we can mount right back. Perfect. Okay. So basically, you just have to. There's 2 tips. You need to remove it. I'll show you. Okay. After you remove the 2 tips, and you can remove the wires. The return wire. Then you take this one out. This end, yeah. Okay. So let's take a reflector. You see, because they have return wires, so that's why the bottom is not all the way flat. So our UB36 series IV could increase the thickness, not just aluminum PCB, and also double side tape too. So basically, you cannot, you know, if you push all the way down, it go like this. So you cannot push all the way down, but you could do like this. I'll show you later. Okay. Okay, let's try again. It's too many double side tip on one side, so that's why it couldn't make it a little bit messy to push it in. So now I clean up a little bit, so it's much easier. There we go. Not all the way down, but it's flat. You see this? So perfect. So we just finished it. Pretty good. So we're gonna slice right back. And then do the wire like this, just like before, and then add a piece of tape. So basically, you're gonna repeat the same procedure as this side. I'm not gonna repeat that here. And then when you connect to this, you can connect to either end and then kind of straightforward. Just disconnect your inverter wire harness, connect to this wire adapters. Okay, thank you for watching.